Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll be discussing which email marketing tool delivers better result. So choosing the right email marketing tool can make or break your business. Today we'll compare Omnisend and Brevo to see which is the better one. So let's get started. Both platforms are beginner friendly, but Brevo has a simpler interface with a drag and drop builder and everything. But if you talk about Omnisend, it is designed for e-commerce and integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. If you talk about customization, Omnisend offers advanced automation, pre-built workflows, and SMS marketing, making it great for e-commerce. It also has email deliverability key, so it ensures personalized automation to boost conversions. If you want better inbox placement, it is a better choice. So let's talk about pricing and monetization. So Omnisend has a free plan for up to 250 or I'll say 250 contacts, and the better plan, like the premium one, goes up to $11.2 per month. And right now there's an offer going in which you can save 30% off. If you talk about Brevo, on the other hand, so Brevo provides deeper context segmentation, transactional email, and WhatsApp campaigns, making it a better choice for service-based businesses. And if you talk about strong reputation with high deliverability rates, Brevo is known for that. And if you talk about pricing, so basically Brevo is also budget-friendly, offering a free plan for up to 300 contacts, 300 emails per day, and it can go up to $16.17 per month depending on the features you want. And you can go on the website, check all those features, and you can get to know like which one is suitable for you. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.